What up YouTube? I am back for some new Boku no Hero Academia Season 4 news. There's a new key visuals. They've been promoting this season a lot, so there's been multiple key visuals, but this one is my favorite by far. We can see the villain of the season overhauled. Then there's this little girl that seems really important, and then we see all the main characters like Deku, Mirio, the members of the Big Three, Kirishima, all of them, you know. So it's my favorite key visual so far. I really like the art. There's some characters that we don't know so far in this key visual, so I'm not gonna really talk about them too much. But yeah, man, like I said, they've been promoting season 4 of the anime a lot, even more than the other seasons, so I guess they're doing that because it's gonna be probably the best season so far. I've heard a lot about this arc, so I can't wait to see what's coming next for this series. They also revealed some character design for the Big Three. Obviously we already saw some of them, but these are even better than before. This is obviously Mirio in his costume. It looks awesome, and I really love his design in this shot right there. Obviously he's going to be a big part of this season because of what happened, you know, at the end of last season. They said that he's the closest to be the #1 hero, you know, so he's going to be big, and plus he's going to help Deku get stronger, because I guess he's going to introduce Deku to his teacher who helped him get stronger. So yeah, man, he reminds me a lot of All Might, obviously because of his yellow hair and everything like that. So I can't wait to see him in action, man, against real villain, not against student, because we've only seen a little bit of his power, I guess. So I can't wait to see his power in next week's not next week's, in the next season of Boku no Hero Academia. Then we get another member of the Big Three. He was pretty timid in the last season, you know, he didn't like to be in front of people, but he reminds me a lot of Sasuke because of his haircut. But his name is Tamaki, and his quirks looks pretty weird, man. He has seashells, he has tentacles and everything like that. It's pretty weird. I'm wondering what his quirk is. Maybe he can transform part of his body into sea creatures or something like that. I'm not really sure, but it looks pretty interesting, man. It's weird, but it looks pretty interesting. Obviously I can't wait to see him in action. We didn't see him fight in the last season of Boku no Hero Academia compared to Mirio, you know, so I can't wait to see him in action, man. I really want to know how strong he is. Obviously he's part of the Big Three, so he's one of the strongest students in UA. So yeah, man, I really can't wait to see him in action, see what he can do, what his quirk does and everything like that, man. And I really like his costume design. That's a plus, you know. So yeah, man. But the next member of the Big Three, the last member of the Big Three, her name is Nejiro, I think, or Nejire. I don't remember exactly, but we saw her in the last season of Boku no Hero Academia. I really liked her. She has a positive attitude and everything like that, so I can't wait to see her. I really like her costume. Obviously she's really pretty and everything, and her quirk, I don't know what the hell it is, you know. It may be light or something like that, I don't know, but her quirk is the one that I really don't know what it is compared to the two other members of the Big Three. So I can't wait to see what's going to come with her. I really want to know how strong she is. I really want to know what her quirk is. Like I said, I really like her character design. It's probably my second favorite after Mirio, you know. Obviously she's a woman, so we can see her features because of her costume, but I really like her costume and I really like her design. Anyway, she looks awesome, but let me know what you thought about this new key visuals in the comments down below. Like I said, it looks amazing, man. Just look at Overhaul in this shot right there. He looks really evil, and in the last trailers that we saw, it seems like he wants to use this little girl to destroy the world or something like that. So I'm wondering what her quirk is. But yeah, man, I really like this new key visuals. Let me know what you thought about it. Let me know what you thought about the character design for the members of the Big Three. I can't wait to see them in action. I think they're really good addition to the cast, you know, of Boku no Hero Academia. I really like their character so far from what we've seen. So yeah, man, I just wanted to talk about some of the new things that we can see for season 4 of Boku no Hero Academia. If y'all don't know or don't remember, the season 4 comes out October 12th, so stay tuned for all of that. I'm going to review the entire season. I think it's 25 or 26 episodes, so stay tuned for that, man. It's going to be a hell of a ride. I've heard a lot of good things for this arc. I've heard that it's the best arc of the series so far, so yeah, man. I will do, like I said, Boku no Hero Academia reviews every Saturday on October 12th. It begins, so stay tuned for that. But I also do other anime related things like Black Clover reviews on Tuesdays. I do Fire Force and Dr. Stone reviews on Fridays, and then I do One Piece reviews on Saturdays. I don't think that Kimetsu no Yaiba Demon Slayer will still be on when Boku no Hero Academia starts, so I will probably not do Demon Slayer reviews on Saturday anymore, but I'll see what comes out after that. You know, there's a new anime coming out. I think it's Sword Art Online Alicization War of the Underworld. I've reviewed the first part of the series, you know, Alicization, when it came out, and it was really good. So yeah, Boku no Hero Academia and Sword Art Online is coming out this October, so stay tuned, man. But yeah, follow me at Anime Specialist on Twitter and Instagram, especially on Twitter because I tweet a lot more. And like, comment, subscribe, it would help my channel a lot. But yeah, man, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Anime Specialist out. Peace.